Ito guys, si Chorong Baboy. Malutong. Welcome to my vlog. 6:30 pa lang ng umaga, mataas na ang sikat ng araw. Ang kagandahan lang, may kasamang hangin. Kaya malamig ngayon ang panahon. Dito lang tayo sa loob at labas ng bahay. Kapag uminit, pupunta sa ilalim ng puno para tumambay. Dito lang tayo sa bahay. Marami tayong mga ipiniprint at saka sinay-xerox na mga project ng mga estudyante. Bali natapos na yung piniprint natin itong isa. Isang file pa lang ito. Marami pa tayong mga ipiprint. Ito yung isang ipiprint natin. Bali itong nauna, 40 pages to. Tapos itong pangalawa, nasa 15 pages lang. Dahil tayo ginutom, bibili tayo ng kikiam o kaya ng fishball para merienda dito sa tapat ng bahay. Dahil tayo napagod na, marami pa tayong gagawin. Merienda muna tayo. Bumili ko ng kikiam sa tapat. Ito muna merienda natin. Nakakagutom din.
Tatlo pa naman sila. Nasa Consuelo Bay, dalawang hindi ko nakuhanan. Eh, may mga nagpaano po kanina. Pagkain. Cartolinang black po. Isa lang po ulit. Tapos po long band filter po.
Hello!
Magpapa-check up. Magpapaano nga ako, Xerox?
Ay, doktor na? Ay, malabo talaga.
Hindi alam. Pakatapos pa yan?
Thank you po. Ano na ako?
Sige.
Madami na namang bunga ang kasoy o yung balubad dito sa tabi ng bahay. Medyo mataas nga lang ang bunga, kailangan susungkitin. Ito mababa lang tong kasoy. Pag hindi naman kasi kinuha, mahuhulog lang din. Pwede na rin po. Maghihiwa tayo ng kamatis at saka yung pasoy na sungkit natin kanina.
Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls, cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the
Hahaluan natin ng itlog na maalat.
it all. If you're patient and soon, it can all be worth it. All the searching, pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide.
Ito na yung pasoy o balubad na hiniwa-hiwa ko kanina.
Some signs, please, you're all too loud.
Nalagyan ko ng kamatis at saka ng
Across every surface,
walang itlog o yung salted egg.
world honestly burning. That's all
Tapos kakain tayo. Ito ang ulam natin.
turning, start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in. We got some work, man.
Bumili tayo ng chicharon. Chicharon, kasoy o balubad na may kamatis at walang itlog.
I can hear the
Yan ngayon na
what they do, and now I feel like taking off.
pagkain ko.
You, the pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you.
Ito guys, chicharong baboy.
I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Malutong.
I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's
Madami kasing ginawa kanina. Kaya wala nang time magluto ng ulam o ng pagkain.
gotta get through this. Life is a nuisance, tie its loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go
Kain na
take
po
the
tayo.
bad, got a glass half wish. I know it's easier to hide than just to lay
Ito yung
low.
kasoy.
Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost without
Ganito lang kasimple sa baryo. Mamitas ka lang ng bunga ng kahoy, may ulam ka na.
surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had to give an art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard. I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left. You never know what's
May
up.
ulam ka na, may merienda ka pa. Panahon din ng kasoy ngayon dito sa amin, kaya yung puno namin sa tabi ng bahay, maraming bunga. Katapos kumain, bumili tayo ng pang-dessert sa tapat ng bahay. Masyado kasing mainit, kailangan din natin malamigan. Halo-halo ng kapitbahay. Till here. Thanks for watching.